May I help you? Like, do we got a problem?
Coco, the door's open. Just walk in.
None of it's true.
None of it's true. None of it's true.
You have to take it back. You have to take it back. Yes. Okay. Okay.
What? Okay, what?
Let him go.
The contour is snatched and the lashes are blinking.
We're going on a car ride. That's my buddy.
Just let's go. Let's go.
Poor Uncle Petey. Schmo, stop eating Uncle Petey.
He's like, oh.
What'd you do to him?
Come on. Good girl. Good.
Now.
Is that it?
How long can she pretend to sleep in front of these three incredibly adorable and very...
Assim.
Get told off all the time. Get told off for this, told off for that.
Senhora.
It's okay. Stop.
Solid. No one's gonna tip you over. They could try, but you'd be. Look at those.
hard all day.
Sure he doesn't dress like that.
Incredibly handsome intruder.
But it's like, I don't get it back.
¿Está fresco, está a gusto, está cómodo, le hace falta algo o estamos bien?
Where is it? Where's Dad? Find him.
Oh!
These dudes can really cause chaos anywhere within their reach.
Welcome, new family.
Oh my god.
She likes playing though. Kaya tanong kita, nakailan din ako ng charger? Nakailan din ako ng charger dahil sa'yo?
You're still the coolest person you know.
When you're trapped.
Nope.
Roxy. It's not time to go out yet. We're gonna go for a walk in a little bit.
You're insane.
The stairs.
Oh, you done lost your damn mind.
It take you that long?
Who owns the river?
엄마.
Drogon, what's up?
I keep track of my subscriptions in spreadsheet.
Present. You know, my Scottish. He's trying. Hendrix, he's gonna get the last part of the present.
Hello?
Sounded like he broke his nose.
It's gonna fall on Mr. Butt.
What, my intel is no good?
No, it's no good.
See, I think it is. Because she confirmed that and I don't want to trust you.
He's definitely giving a 5-star review.
Taking care of
Dog happiness equals causing minor chaos for humans.
Hurry up, get down.
Cats because we have one. When we first introduced the two, we put Finn's harness on.
Come here. Toby, come here.
Sophie boy, what do you want?
Okay.
แต่ละมือแต่ละ day have the nail มาให้ติ่ง1 วันนี่
What the?
Come here, Sage.
Oh my gosh, I just remembered something. I love you.
Epic hunting mission, but end up this clueless.
The adorable adventure squad on a mission. The leader kitten.
You know, dive deep. More like dive deeper to with a bucket.
Luna, no!
Make yourself at home, and you take it way too seriously.
Oliva. Oliva. Tu beso normal.
She says, and he mentions that he's going out of town, so he's gonna get in touch.
Yo, buddy, you figured out the truth way too late.
She caught it, that's why!
Kitten. The dog's patience for its tiny friend is
Show courage at the vet.
Damn.
The invisible trap card in the living room.
Buddy.
Millet. Millet.
Ik ga wijn schenken. Ik ben het helemaal zat. Kom maar.
Anybody press follow. Coba sir.
Anytime, anywhere.
That us.
Go lay down. Go lay down. Bye.
Interdit. Oh, chien.
Wait.
Give a cat something that moves to sit with.
What did you do? Oh, you did this to yourself.
You can tell he's already planned.
Слышите? Нянь.
On the stairs doesn't remedy it.
No! God, please, no!
Nothing makes the heart race faster and the tail wag harder than a full gathering. Happy doggo, happy life.
Later.
Call. One pup cup coming right up. Order for Winston. Oh, here you
These two adorable babies are getting acquainted. Friendship begins with gentle
What are you doing?
I try not to.
I want to kill my mom. What the fuck? I want to kill my dad. Yeah, smell what's that?
I've no worries with this noisy guard buddy around.
Sit dulu. Speak.
Camera off, Fuman. My polka dots are having a bad fur day.
Shut up, it is not.
Yes, it is.
We're good old friends, it's the cat and I.
Kids' watchful eyes.
Any sort of outside storage for refrigerators or anything else, so that's going to be a problem.
Paco. 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 You're gonna fall, buddy.
Russia's foreign minister Sergei Lavrov said the
strike turn around, he's gonna hit you in the eye.
Broken. You.
Oh no, it all went wrong!
Round means guaranteeing their safety 24/7, even with those 9 lives.
Go cute. No, go downstairs. Go on.
Excited about its new tiny friend.
Os olhos estão abertos, mas a mente ainda não acordou.
About absolutely everything.
Hey!
Can you stop?
Not sure if you're actually feeling cool, buddy, but the
It's a big workout day today. Arm day for Biggie. Ready? Go!
Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
Oh, it's coming from there.
Would be it, and yes, adorable.
Ai, boże. Proszę.
She's still getting used to going on a walk.
Yes, Pete. 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 Good protector.
¿Qué tal?
The screen.
வீட்ல நாங்க அடைச்சு வச்சிட்டோம். அது எங்க போய் உட்கார்ந்திருக்கோம் பாருங்க.
Huracán Chile, América y el mundo.
He is. I don't know.
Hair clipper avoidance mode activated.
But still going along like a champ. Respect my guy.
His calm face shows who's the clear winner of this battle.
Not those alphas.
Hey, you guys missed that?
Mama!